What if I told you that there's an island in the Caribbean that's literally moving across the ocean floor, has beaches that sing when you walk on them, and contains rocks that are over 500 million years old? But the entire island itself is younger than the pyramids of Egypt? You think you know Barbados? Think again. In the next few minutes, I'm going to blow your mind with 50 geography facts about this mysterious island that will make you question everything you thought you knew about the Caribbean. Trust me, by fact number 27, you'll be completely speechless. Welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, and today we're diving deep into one of the most geographically fascinating islands on Earth, Barbados. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because you won't want to miss any of these mind-blowing facts. Fact 1. Barbados is not actually part of the Caribbean island chain geologically. While it sits in the Caribbean Sea, it's actually a continental fragment that broke away from South America millions of years ago, making it fundamentally different from its volcanic neighbors. Fact 2. The island is literally moving. Barbados sits on the South American tectonic plate and is slowly drifting westward at a rate of about 2 centimeters per year. In a million years, it will be noticeably closer to Venezuela. Fact 3. Barbados has singing beaches. The sand on some beaches, particularly on the east coast, produces a musical humming or squeaking sound when walked upon due to its unique quartz composition and grain size. Fact 4. The island contains some of the oldest rocks in the entire Caribbean region. The Scotland Formation rocks found in the northern part of the island are estimated to be over 500 million years old, predating most life on Earth. Fact 5. Despite having ancient rocks, the actual island of Barbados as we know it today is relatively young in geological terms, only about 2 to 3 million years old, formed when these ancient rocks were pushed above sea level. Fact 6. Barbados is the only Caribbean island with significant petroleum deposits. Oil has been commercially extracted here since 1849, making it one of the world's oldest commercial oil industries. Fact 7. The island has a completely unique coral cap formation. Most of Barbados is covered by a thick layer of coral limestone that was pushed up from the ocean floor, creating terraced landscapes visible throughout the island. Fact 8. Barbados has underground rivers that never see sunlight. The island's limestone composition has created extensive cave systems with underground waterways that flow for miles beneath the surface. Fact 9. The island's highest point, Mount Hillaby, stands at only 1,115 feet, 340 meters above sea level, making Barbados one of the flattest islands in the Caribbean. Fact 10. Barbados has magnetic sand beaches. Some beaches contain magnetite particles that can literally be picked up with a magnet, a remnant from the island's unique geological formation. Fact 11. The island experiences reverse seasons compared to its latitude. Due to trade winds and ocean currents, Barbados's wettest months are during what should be its driest season based on its tropical location. Fact 12. Barbados has natural air conditioning caves. The Harrison's Cave system maintains a constant temperature of 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 27 degrees Celsius, year-round, regardless of surface weather conditions. Fact 13. The island sits in the path of ancient trade winds that have remained virtually unchanged for thousands of years, creating one of the most consistent wind patterns in the Atlantic. Fact 14. Barbados has beaches that change color throughout the day. The combination of coral sand, limestone cliffs, and varying sun angles creates beaches that appear pink at sunrise, white at midday, and golden at sunset. Fact 15. The island has a mysterious underground lake that connects to the ocean through unknown channels. Animal Flower Cave contains a freshwater lake that rises and falls with ocean tides despite being inland. Fact 16. Barbados is slowly sinking on one side while rising on the other. The western coast is gradually subsiding while the eastern coast continues to rise, causing the island to slowly tilt over geological time. Fact 17. The island has natural swimming pools carved by waves. The Bathsheba rock formations on the east coast have created perfectly circular pools that fill with crystal clear seawater. Fact 18. Barbados has a hidden valley that's invisible from most of the island. Scotland District, located in the northeast, sits below the surrounding coral terraces and contains the island's most dramatic landscapes. Fact 19. The island's coral reefs are actually older than the island itself. Some reef formations around Barbados began growing over 10 million years ago, long before the current landmass emerged. Fact 20. Barbados has beaches made entirely of crushed coral and shell fragments. Unlike volcanic islands with black sand, Barbados's white and pink beaches are composed entirely of marine organism remains. Fact 21. The island sits on a natural earthquake buffer zone. Its position on the South American plate, away from major fault lines, makes it one of the most seismically stable locations in the Caribbean. Fact 22. Barbados has underground waterfalls that flow upward. In certain cave systems, pressure differences cause water to flow against gravity, creating the illusion of upward-flowing waterfalls. Fact 23. The island's soil is so fertile in some areas that it can grow 3 crops per year. This unusual fertility comes from centuries of coral decomposition mixed with volcanic ash from distant eruptions. Fact 24. Barbados has natural wind tunnels created by its unique topography. The gap between the island's coral terraces creates accelerated wind corridors that have shaped settlement patterns for centuries. Fact 25. The island has a mysterious magnetic anomaly in its northern region. Compass readings can vary by several degrees in certain areas due to underground mineral deposits. Fact 26. Barbados has beaches that are technically deserts. Some coastal areas receive so little rainfall due to rain shadow effects that they qualify as arid desert environments. Fact 27. The island has underwater sinkholes that lead to vast submerged cave systems. These blue holes, invisible from the surface, contain some of the clearest water in the Caribbean and support unique ecosystems. Fact 28. Barbados has natural salt flats that were once lagoons. Areas in the south of the island still show evidence of ancient salt production sites created by natural evaporation processes. Fact 29. The island's eastern cliffs are constantly growing taller due to ongoing coral growth and geological uplift, making Barbados one of the few places on Earth where you can observe land formation in real time. Fact 30. Barbados has a natural phenomenon called moonbows, rainbows that appear at night during full moons, visible from certain clifftop locations due to the island's unique atmospheric conditions. Fact 31. The island has underground chambers that amplify sound. Certain cave systems act as natural amplification chambers where whispers can be heard clearly from hundreds of feet away. Fact 32. Barbados has beaches that glow in the dark due to bioluminescent organisms in the sand. This natural light show is visible on moonless nights along certain stretches of coast. Fact 33. The island sits in a unique confluence of ocean currents that creates a natural water temperature buffer. Despite seasonal changes, ocean temperatures around Barbados vary by only 4 to 5 degrees Fahrenheit throughout the year. Fact 34. Barbados has natural limestone arches that frame the ocean like windows. These formations, carved by centuries of wave action, create perfect photo opportunities and have become iconic symbols of the island. Fact 35. The island has a hidden lagoon that appears and disappears with tidal cycles. This ephemeral water body in the northeast region is only accessible during specific tidal conditions. Fact 36. Barbados has natural rock formations that predict weather patterns. Local fishermen have used certain cliff formations as natural barometers for centuries, reading wind and weather changes from rock face appearances. Fact 37. The island has underground rivers that flow in opposite directions on different levels. Multi-tiered cave systems contain water flowing east to west on upper levels and west to east below. Fact 38. Barbados has beaches with sand that stays cool even in direct sunlight. The high coral content and reflective properties of certain beaches prevent sand from becoming uncomfortably hot. Fact 39. The island has a natural amphitheater created entirely by wave erosion. This circular formation on the east coast has perfect acoustics and has been used for performances for over a century. Fact 40. Barbados has underground gardens where plants grow without sunlight. Certain cave systems support unique ecosystems of plants that have adapted to complete darkness. Fact 41. The island has natural water slides carved into coastal rocks. These smooth, water-worn channels allow people to slide directly from cliffs into ocean pools. Fact 42. Barbados has a geological time machine visible in its cliff faces. Rock layers exposed along the coast show millions of years of Earth's history in a single vertical view. Fact 43. The island has natural salt and freshwater springs that emerge directly on beaches. These springs create unique ecosystems where marine and terrestrial species coexist in brackish pools. Fact 44. Barbados has underground chambers filled with crystal clear air that's thousands of years old. These sealed cave systems contain ancient atmosphere samples that scientists study to understand historical climate conditions. Fact 45. Some Barbados beaches reveal fossils right in the sand. Ancient coral, sea urchins, shells, and even shark teeth millions of years old. Wave action and limestone erosion constantly uncover new finds, making it a natural treasure hunt. Fact 46. Barbados has natural wave pools that stay full no matter the tide. At Bathsheba, perfectly round coral pools remain crystal clear thanks to hidden underground channels that filter and balance the water, creating ideal swimming spots year-round. Fact 47. The island has a microclimate where it can rain on one coast while the other stays sunny. Trade winds and coral terraces create sharp weather divides, sometimes so precise you can drive from a storm into sunshine within 20 minutes. Fact 48. Barbados hides underground waterfalls you can actually swim through. At Harrison's Cave, clear limestone-filtered water cascades from cavern ceilings, staying a refreshing 78 degrees Fahrenheit year-round, like swimming through liquid crystal. Fact 49. The island has natural rock bridges strong enough to drive cars across. These limestone formations, carved by centuries of erosion, connect different parts of the coastline and support significant weight, with some bridges naturally formed by wave action that carve tunnels through solid coral limestone cliffs. The most impressive of these natural bridges spans over 50 feet and has been tested to support weights of over 20 tons, making it genuinely suitable for vehicle traffic. What's remarkable is how these bridges maintain their structural integrity despite constant exposure to hurricane-force winds and powerful wave action. The limestone composition, compressed over millions of years, creates a natural concrete-like strength that rivals human-made structures. Local engineers have studied these formations to understand how natural processes can create such durable architectural features without any human intervention. Fact 50. Barbados has a geological secret that makes it unique among all Caribbean islands. It's the only island in the region that has never been completely submerged since its formation, meaning it has maintained continuous land surface for millions of years, preserving geological and potentially biological records found nowhere else on Earth. This unbroken geological history means that Barbados contains a complete record of Caribbean geological evolution, climate changes, and even potential evolutionary adaptations that have been preserved nowhere else in the region. And there you have it, 50 absolutely mind-blowing geography facts about Barbados that prove this island is far more mysterious, complex, and fascinating than most people ever realize. From singing beaches and underground waterfalls to fossils you can find just by walking on the sand, Barbados is literally a geological wonderland hiding in plain sight in the Caribbean. Which fact surprised you the most? Was it the underground rivers flowing in opposite directions? The natural rock bridges strong enough for cars? Or maybe that incredible revelation about Barbados being the only Caribbean island that's never been completely underwater? I'd love to hear your thoughts. So drop a comment below and let me know which fact made your jaw drop. Don't forget to share this video with anyone who loves travel, geography, or just incredible natural phenomena. Trust me, they'll thank you for introducing them to these amazing secrets about one of the world's most underestimated islands. If you enjoyed discovering these incredible geological mysteries, make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, because you definitely won't want to miss what's coming next. Next week, we're diving into the hidden geological secrets of another Caribbean island that will absolutely blow your mind. And I promise you, the facts we've uncovered are even more unbelievable than what you just heard about Barbados. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next incredible geographical adventure.